Come back to Daytime Live. We are still but ZZIN in no, Jamaica ended the 10-day World Athletics Championships in third position on the medals table and second on the place table in Eugene, Oregon. Now, the Jamaicans ended the tournament with 10 medals, 2 golds, 7 silvers, and a bronze. Now, the host nation topped the standing with 33 medals, 13 golds, 9 silvers, and 11 bronze. Now, Ethiopia finished second with 10 medals, 4 golds, 4 silver, and 2 bronze.
I'm proud of everybody. They did so well.
Yeah.
Now, Brittany Anderson gave Jamaica its 8th medal when she finished second in the women's 100-meter hurdles final in 12.23 seconds. Now, the other Jamaican, that's Daniel Williams, finished 6th. Toby Amusan, who ran 12.12 seconds to break the world record in the semifinals, won the event in a wind-aided 12.6 seconds.
12.06.
12.0, because there's a difference.
Yeah.
There's a big
Now,
difference.
Jamaica's men's 4x400 meter relay team finished second in the penultimate event of the championships. And like the men, Jamaica's female mile relay team pulled the curtain down on the championships with a second place finish in a season best of 3 minutes 20.74 seconds. Now, meanwhile, Natoya Gould finished 5th in the women's 800 meter in a season best of 1 minute 57.9 seconds. Big up to all of the athletes, them.
Yeah, I'm proud of them.
The first and foremost, Jamaicans were spoiled.
We spoil.
Not even spoiled.
We spoil.
We spoil.
No S.
Like we spoil.
Yes.
For us, it's gold medals and world records. Like anything else is failure.
Yes, right.
You have to understand that these athletes have to qualify. We look at our national championships and some persons who don't even make it into the top 3 or top 4 to go to the championships that they are vying for. It's an achievement that, to know that you can at least compete,
Yeah.
But for us, we
Yeah.
just believe, say, yo.
Like, you never win? You never win?
You know, rock your record?
You never broke a record?
Run
So where I
fast.
run for?
Run
Where about
fast.
I run for if you never broke a record?
Run faster.
Yeah, run faster.
I'm
Yeah,
like-
I'm really proud of everybody. The girls and the boys, or the women and the men, I'll say that.
Yeah.
Everybody did a fabulous job. But big up yourself, Jamaica. But who won was it Nigeria?
Done the hurdles.
Yes.
All right.
I am like,
Listen to
excuse me? Nigeria?
I am positively
Nigeria?
sure. I'm positively sure that Toby Amusan, she is going to be tested in every single way and form.
What do you mean? They all put her with everything?
Did you watch the hunt? Did you watch it?
Yes. She ran
She
left.
broke the world record in the
She
semi-final
ran
and then broke it again in the finals.
left. Yeah. Yeah.
And that point to note, she broke or Jamaican athlete Daniel Williams had the world record.
Yeah.
You understand? So big up. I mean, Daniel. I think Daniel is gonna bounce back. I think she was coming off some injuries.
Yeah,
you
but
know,
you still did
Brittany
well,
was
baby
there.
girl. You still did well. And the times were so close as well. The
Yeah,
times
yeah,
were,
yeah.
except for Toby that,
That-
everybody else, the time
You can tell
was
us
tired.
Toby, if anybody run her down.
Yeah, everybody it was
Anybody run
huge.
her down and she had jump over some fence, I hit that. There's no catching her. Anyway, moving right along.
So the Caribbean's largest festival, that's Reggae Sumfest, has come and gone. Yes, the 2-year break seemingly reinvigorated the dancehall fraternity, and those who took the stage at Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex on Friday night let the thousands gathered and watching online just know just how much they missed it through their stellar performances.
Now, this new breed of entertainers show their true colors and popularity as they dominated the performances on night 1 of Reggae Sumfest. Now, the lineup was full of artists who were making their debut on the event. Now, this mix of acts was inclined towards the proponents of Chafal and saw acts such as Skeng, Chapal, such as Skeng, Intense, Iwater, Jashi, 450, Briscoe, TJ. Listen, I've been watching out for TJ. Now, he made a huge impression on the thousands who gathered inside the venue.
You ready to go off again, dude? He's like, ready to go.
No, I'm not ready to go off.
Now-
I do have some stuff.
But I want to jump in here and say the ladies were no less entertaining. Now, Spice took on Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Dancehall Queen.
Sorry,
Spice.
dancehall queen,
Right.
Queen Spice, took on Andrew Holness for his criticism of dancehall music and what he has spoken of as negative influences. She was given a tiara by Sumfest boss Joseph Bogdanovich for her contributions to the genre after her performance. Now, Aishana had fun on stage dancing with life-size cardboard cutout of our Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Health Minister Chris Tufton, and of course Bounty Killer. Now, Shenseea brought her son on stage and addressed the Cocoa Peace murder.
Now, night 2 Reggae Sumfest Madhouse tribute to Dave Kelly was led by Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, Wayne Wonder, Spragga Benz, Frisco Kid, and Mr. Easy. Now, the segment saw the artists spitting lyrics from the reclusive dancehall music producer / songwriters arsenal of beats from the 1990s. Now, during the tribute, Bounty asked the audience for a warm appreciation for Mr. Dave Kelly, whom he said was the heartbeat of dancehall music production.
Yes, Reggae Sumfest ended on a high on Sunday morning with performances from the legendary Beres Hammond, yes, young Grammy winner Coffee, Dexter Daps, Sizzler, Christopher Martin, Diani, and Chanel Muir.
All right, so
I have a lot to say.
Hold on, we'll say fast because we have a lot of time. First, I have to big up Joe Bogdanovich for revamping Reggae Sumfest because when he came on board, he was like, listen, Reggae Sumfest should be about the Jamaican entertainers, not about headlining it with some overseas acts. For the first year, people were like, I'm not sure, but after that first year, that's continued. So big up yourself, Joe. Big up to all the performers. I'm still watching snippets of them. Did pure Chanel, she came out with Massacre. Steph London, my God, bless up yourself. But a huge talking point was Aishana and what she did with the cardboard cutout of Bounty Killer, which expressed herself creatively, but I think that was kind of disrespectful.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Why would you put a cardboard cutout of somebody that you tried to sit on? You didn't see it.
I saw it, but I feel like in relation to everything else and what everybody else was saying and the lewdness that was coming out of everybody's mouth, it was all like really like everybody. So you know what I mean? Everybody did the most. So for me, I was like, I expected.
We need to talk about this
a
some
lot.
more.
Yeah.
Now, Daytime Live will be right back, and we have some budget-friendly travel advice. So, go move.